Did I buy a new 370Z? Guys, welcome back to the Hustle Garage channel. Welcome back to a new video. Back in the garage. As you can see, this is blue, mine's red. Did I buy a new 370Z? No, I didn't. We're working on this blue 370Z today. Doing some maintenance stuff, bleeding the brakes. We're gonna change spark plugs and change the engine oil, keep the car happy and keep it running. Just to have a walk around this 370Z. It's actually such a clean 370Z. These headlights make it so aggressive, and it's got a duck tail wing, which I love. So small but so simple, and it fits the car so well. Let's start this maintenance service on the 370Z. We're starting with the corner that is furthest away from the reservoir. Yes, make sure this doesn't get on any paint because it'll just eat the paint right through. Just straight the car up. I'm just gonna change oil now. Simple oil change, just like any other car. So I just took off the undershroud. I just leave one arm bolt attached, but it's loose, so I can swivel the undershroud around. This is what it looks like. I've taken my undershroud off so many times to the point where I hate it. Just trying to find an easier way. And this is a tip if you want to change your engine oil. It's not that big of a deal, but it makes a difference to making the job less annoying. If you see here, this is the undershroud. This is the oil pan. So I usually leave one bolt in the back corner loose, just so I can swivel this undershroud around. It just saves time from actually taking the undershroud off completely and putting it back on by yourself and trying to align everything. This just makes it easier just because it's already held in. That's just a little quick tip. And also, let's just appreciate a unmolested 370Z undercarriage, just because my car is completely busted compared to this. I'm just appreciating a nice clean 370Z. Good job, Nick, good job. Let's drain this oil, and so we can start on the spark plugs. If you haven't already and you're enjoying these videos, smash that like and subscribe button down below. This isn't part of the final build series, but it's more car content for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy me working on other 370Zs and also other cars that might not be 370Z that comes later. Okay, so all the fluid change is all done. Gonna do the spark plugs. So we've got the NGK Iridium spark plugs. They last longer. I mean, everyone wants to last longer, right? So you might as well get the Platinum Iridium spark plugs. They last, what, 100,000 Ks? Let's go on to these spark plugs. Yeah, it's pretty important, so try not to mess anything up. Have to take off the strut bar here, and then if you have a OEM intake, you have to take just the hose here, and also throttle body as well on both sides, PCV and everything like that, just so you can access the coil packs. On this side there's one here. The other two are, you can't really see them, but there's here and one back here. It's the same on the other side as well. Might take the battery off. Safety first with yourself and with your car. And another thing. the intake tube. Be careful of these hoses here. You don't want to kink them or anything. Here you see all the coil packs here. So 2, 4, and 6 here. To take these off, you just unclip the connectors there and then unbolt, just pull on these, and then these come out, spark plug socket, and then you undo the spark plug and they all come out. You just repeat them, or all 6 of them. The spark plug socket you need is a 14mm or a 9/16. Ones are the Denso FXE24HR11. If you guys got that, we're using a NGK Iridium DF8H11B, and so these are compatible with these along with a few other ones. Make sure you get the right spark plugs, because yeah, if not, your car will probably blow up. I'm just going to do that 4 more times. Yeah, everything is just the same. Everything is just a repeat. Smash this out and then I'll get back to you guys when I've finished the spark plug change, and then we will start the car and see if it works. Hopefully it works. Alright, I'll see you guys later. The difference between the right side and the left side is just a couple things. And so if you're coming close, a couple things that are different is this here sits right there. So this and also this hose. Make sure these are just for like the PCB. There's a coil pack in here. In order to get here, yeah, you have to loosen these 2 off and then just put them to the side. They're just clamps and just hoses, so you can just take them out. Same thing on the other side. Take the intake off, take the throttle body off, and then replace the spark plugs. And yeah, so we're almost done, almost there. Yeah, hasn't been too bad of a job. Hasn't been too bad, so happy about that. Oh, spark plugs are done. Just did the last one. Just gonna put everything back. This is the last thing I need to put in, is this coil pack. So put this in. Click. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing another 370Z that's not mine on the channel. If you guys did, smash that like and subscribe button and turn on that bell notification, because we're doing weekly videos and also more videos on this final form build of my 370Z. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.